Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Welcome to Vlogmas. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button because I'd love to have you part of Heidi's home. It is 10 after 9 this morning. I'm going to attend a Christmas party today at Cabelawan Association for the Blind. It starts at 11. It's from 11 to 1. I don't know why they do it so early because, I don't know, but I'm not woke up by 11 o'clock to eat a big meal. But anyhow, I was like on the fence about what to wear today because the weather is like 60 degrees. It's not cold at all. But yet it's damp. It's very moist outside. It's very damp. So I did my makeup. I took my bath. I did my makeup. I did my hair. I really need to color my hair badly, but it has to wait. I don't have time. Sometimes we're just too busy to do some things. I went with a straight up black dress with the kind of flare sleeve. I call this my Ashley dress because there is a Southern gospel singer and she's also a minister's wife, and she wears this style of dress a lot. And I told my mom, I said, I really want one of those dresses. And she found me a few of them, and now they are so comfortable because they're kind of like the baby doll kind of cut. I don't know if that makes any sense. But anyways, they are super comfortable, but they look really nice. So I'm wearing my black dress, black tights, and some boots with this, which I think is it's dressy, but it's not over dressy, and it's, comfortable. And also, too, it's really thin. When we went to Heritage Farm, we thought every year we go to Heritage Farm, to the Christmas village, we think to ourselves, my goodness, it's going to be super, super, super cold. We took hats, gloves, dressed in layers, and we went out there. We were sweating to death. At one point, I actually stripped down to my t-shirt and sat out in cooler air because I got so hot walking around. It was very, very warm. It was very unusual for the Christmas village, and it didn't seem as Christmassy because it wasn't as cold. This year was a little bit different. It was such a good time. But today is the Cabelawan Association for the Blind Christmas dinner. It's always pretty nice. We get the choice, I think, of turkey or ham today with all the trimmings. They usually decorate really nicely. I love this time of year, and it's just keep Christmas going and attend and go to the Christmas banquet today. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Did that so I could play the song.
Don't forget, right, Ronnie?
Here he is!
Huh? What is that Santa Claus? Yeah, it's here. All right.
Come down where it's a little warmer.
North Pole is cold. Hey, Santa.
Hey!
Hey, come over here, Santa. Come over here, Santa. Santa Claus.
Oh, hallelujah.
Thank you.
Well, the Cabelawan Association for the Blind's Christmas party ended, and I got home and I decided I would make some hardtack candy. The recipe I follow is from the Bell's Best cookbook. It's under colored glass candy, better known as hardtack. So basically it is 1 cup of water, 4 cups of sugar, and 1 cup of light Karo syrup. And you're going to need some red food coloring and a little tiny container of the candy oil. And I am using cinnamon. As you can see there, I had my baking pan covered in powdered sugar, and that ensures that nothing will stick. It's a whole lot of stirring, a lot of checking your thermometer to make sure that you get the right temperature. On my digital thermometer, it's between 295 and 300 degrees. And then once it gets up to temperature, you add in your food coloring and your candy oil and stir vigorously, and then pour it over that powdered sugar on that baking sheet. And when it cools, it will harden. Now I'm going to pour the mixture onto the powdered sugar, and I'm going to let that cool. And then once it cools, the best way that I know to break it up is to cover it with a sheet of wax paper and lightly tap it with a hammer. And this ensures that it breaks up. What I do is I just continue to tap it and pull out the smaller pieces, or the pieces that, you know, are the size that I want. And then I just keep breaking it up until it's the right size. Now you want to make sure that you kind of incorporate a little bit of the powdered sugar as you bag up or, you know, put this in containers, because the powdered sugar ensures that the candy will not stick together. And you can do hardtack candy in a various array of flavors. They have grape, they have pina colada, they have spearmint. They have a lot of different ones. But during the Christmas time, everybody really gravitates towards the cinnamon. And let me tell you, if you make this, your house is going to smell like a cinnamon bomb went off. It is the best smelling experience. But I will tell you, whatever you do when you add the oil to your pot, don't stand over it and don't put your face over it, because it sort of like bubbles upward, and that will get in your pores and your clothes and your hair, and you will smell like cinnamon, and it can burn your eyes and stuff. So stay away from the pot when you're pouring it in, and just continue to stir vigorously until it is really good and combined. I'm just placing my hardtack candy into Ziploc bags today. I find that it's just a great way to store it. If I want to, I'll pour some into a candy dish or another container as if I have guests that are coming over. But I have a feeling that my dad will probably take one of these bags home with him during his visit. I'm going to be munching on this. It is so good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video for Vlogmas. And it just seems like Vlogmas is traveling along very, very quickly this year. I hope you all are doing fantastic. And if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part of Heidi's home. And I hope you all are enjoying your holidays. And let me know, do you guys make hardtack candy? And if you do, you know, what flavors do you like? So I'll be talking to you all again soon. Have a wonderful day.